Thanks for joining me today, and thank you to Guiding Ohio Online for allowing us to bring this resource to you. Today I'm going to show you the new version of PIXLR. PIXLR is a great free online graphic design program. It's pretty easy to use, and I'm just going to show you some basic things to get you started. To get to PIXLR, you're going to go to your browser and type in PIXLR.com. And this is the main screen of PIXLR. It has changed since the last time I shared this with you. It has broken down the content into two different sections. And one is PIXLR E, and that is an advanced photo editor. And the other is PIXLR X, and that's the quick and easy graphic design. As you can see right here, it's showing you the layers of the main screen, what it looks like, and that is something that you'll see when you're working on your own design. So let's go to PIXLR X. When you first come in, down the left-hand side, you have a lot of things, and these are the things that I want to show you first. Another thing is you'll see down here at the bottom and sides, there are advertisements, and that is because this is a free program. You can purchase your own if you wanted. You can start with a 30-day trial. After you do that, a yearly subscription is $4.90 for full access for these things, and then additional things is more also. But if you're just looking for basic editing, the free version is great. It has a lot to offer for anybody who wants to use it. So let's go there. And if you have created something in the past, it will show up under your history. There are templates. There's all different type of templates that you can use. These are just some previews of what some of them look like. You can create a new design, and you can determine that by web or square or Instagram or Facebook, whatever you're deciding to make your design for. They do have a wonderful stock search, and they got some great pictures on here, and these pictures are royalty free, and you can use them for your projects however you want. As you can see, you basically just type in the search whatever category that you want that you're looking for, and then they give you a lot to choose from. There is a nice tutorial here also. It takes you to YouTube, as you can see here, and it explains how to do some different things in it. As you can see here, it's just series of PIXLR videos. So if you want to get more advanced than what I'm showing you, I'd suggest that you check out that tutorial to get started and learn more. But a great way to get started is just by jumping in and trying it yourself. So I'm going to show you starting, I'm going to click Create New, and then I'm just going to click, let's just do a square for right now. And we will call it Sample, and then click Create. And as you can see what it's done, it gives me my basic background. There's nothing on it, and it gives me the freedom to add things that I'd like. So I'm going to go over here to the left, and if you hover over these, it will tell you what each of the icons are, which is really nice. So let's find an image from the stock photo. So I am going to do an outdoor picture. Let's see what we can find. Let's do, how about we do these? Okay, so what it will say is, do you want to create a brand new one? And this is one way that you can create brand new from here also, but I want to add it to the one that I'm currently have open, and you see it added it here. And it's a pretty large file. I can shrink it down to make it smaller to fit if I want. I can make it a background photo, and you can do a lot of editing and changing that way also. As the layout and template, I'm just going to use the basic size here. There is different options for text, and I'm just going to choose one. And what it does is it will put it here. And as you can see over here on the right, my layers are adding up as I'm adding things. So these are all, you're able to edit all of these things, your text and typing. So a lot of times when it has several different things, you can see it put 3 different text things. So it gave me the yellow and and the two whites, two different boxes. So that means that you can edit it. So I'm on the keep it. So I'm going to go, I'm just going to put, I'm going to call that Salem, and then I'm going to go to my simple, and I'm going to change that. I can change the font if I want, and I'm going to put public. And then the last one, I'm going to change it to library. So you can see I easily changed them. The boxes are around them. You can move them if you want to, wherever you need to. You can change colors over here also. So you can see quickly how quick I can change that and add that. There are additional elements that you can add. So say I wanted to add some kind of shape on here. One thing I do want to point out to you, if you see these ones with the yellow, those are the premium content ones, and that means that you cannot use them unless you have a premium account. So I just wanted to make you aware of that. Got a little lamb choppy here. He is reading at the library, so there we go. There's all different things that you can add it, and you can quickly make some kind of design or picture that you want. The next one down, I'll just go ahead and show you what you do. You can crop a picture or an item if you have on there if you want to. You have cutouts, so say you have something or a layer, you have something on it that you want to cut out, you can do that. You can adjust the filters so you can see what they look like. You can do different colors, toning, scenes. There's different effects you can add to the background of something. So say I wanted a different background or a different shade, I can change that. You can see how it changes the colors there on that. So you can do that also. And then there's different effects that you can change, different things on that. And then you could retouch something if it's a photo or draw right on it. So say I wanted to draw right on it. Maybe I want some more clouds, whatever, I can draw right on my picture as I go. So those are most of the tools that are available for you. It's quick and easy to make something, and your layers are all over here. You just have to click on them to be able to edit them. Make sure you have them clicked, and then the option comes up here for you to edit. So when you're all finished, so say I decided I didn't really want that cloud, all I have to do is click undo, and it'll take it right off of there for me. And then when you're all finished, you're going to click save, and you can save it as different file types if you want. Right here they are, and you can pick which one you want. You can even determine the size if you decide you want to change it. If say it's too big or too small, you could change that there. Then you're just going to click download, and then it'll automatically download to your device. So that was a real quick version of the new PIXLR. If you like this kind of thing, jump in here and check it out, or use one of those other tutorials to get more in depth in using this program.